Yo, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Hold on. Give me just a second. All right, bet. Let's get into it. First we got gold. I hope you guys are in the signals channel. We are in profit. Oh, this is what I was looking at for gold. Check this out. You always have to do your higher time frame analysis. On the day we're coming out of this support zone here, on the day where we recently had a lot of buying up, so I knew we were going to get some kind of reaction out of here. Overall, I'm still looking for sales, but I wanted us to come up and retrace into this imbalance here. So I'm looking first to come up to this imbalance up here, retesting here. We have this order block right here. But until then, we're retesting out of here. And after we did that, we've just been pushing very quickly to the upside. After I saw that we've been, let's see, on the minute 15, I think it's where I've seen it. You have, look how price has been respecting imbalances here. You have this imbalance right here that price respected, and we got a lot of bullish momentum out of there. After which, the candle that retested this and then pushed up, this is a nice order block right here. So you mark up this order block right here and go down to the 5-minute. What I was really piqued interest right here is this inverted fair value gap here on the 5-minute. So you have this imbalance that was created and then we broke it inside of this 15-minute order block. We come back in, retest it, and then we leave. This is our area of interest, but you want to wait for an entry signal before you enter. This will give you more probability on your trades. So check this out. Wait for a break, like in a buy, you wait for the break of a selling imbalance, which we had with this candle, and then once you come back to retest it, then you can hop in a buy. And stops like below here and take profit up here. And right now you'd be up a bag. What I really like too with this one is that we started making all this liquidity right here. buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. I was like, oh yeah, we gotta come sweep that. You can see price came down, retested into here, and now we're just taking off. It's in the signals channel. Check out the Telegram. We took it off, or at least I call it the signal, when we were in this 70.5 area. Stops below here. I mean, we're just ripping now. Yeah, that's fire. All right, anyways, let's get into some trades you guys can take. So I'm seeing the same thing with GU here. Wait, let me see if GU, which one looked better. Oh, EU looks real nice. Okay, check this out. So higher time frame, we have this bearish fair value gap here that we disrespected here with this candle. This candle closed into here, disrespected it with that one. Price came back, retested the one that disrespected this imbalance, and now we're pushing back higher. You can also see this imbalance here. We got close to retesting that one. I'm surprised we didn't. Anyways, price is just really pushing up, and I like structure. And what really piques my interest is this big move up here that now created a new area for structure. So this is our range. This is our new range for structure. So this is our low and this is our high, because we are in an uptrend. And what I noticed is this nice 30-minute order block, this little down push before all that movement up. And if you scale down to the 15-minute, where is it? Yeah, 15-minute. Here we go. On the 15-minute, you have this inversion here as well. So I really like this inversion here. And we swept all this kind of liquidity over here. So I like that. A lot of confirmations here. I throw out the fib from our range low to our range high. It lines up with the 70.5, 79 pocket. And price right now, oops, let me put that back on. Price right now is creating liquidity. We are just ranging right now. We're not moving anywhere. So we're consolidating. So we have money above here and money down here. So I would like to see us come down, sweep this money here, and push up. And then that'd clear this money here and this money here. And then we just continue with the overall direction going up. That's what I'd like to see. I said liquidity, area of interest. So here's your buy limit. Buy off this area. Stop loss here, about a 16 pip stop. Take profit up here, 43 pips. You can, if you want to really swing this, where was it? I want to see us at least push to here. This last buying before all this selling off. We have this order block up here. I think price will definitely come back way up into here and retrace. So, and you have imbalance here. Hold on, let's break this down real quick. I'll break this down. So I'll just zoom down. This is a monthly area, this box right here. Let me replay this. I'm just looking for any interesting areas of price. Not really seeing anything. On the weekly, you have that. No. But if you do break this down, you do have this 4-hour imbalance here. Or sorry, weekly imbalance. My bad. Yeah, somewhere we gotta fill this candle. So maybe we do come up and hit 50% of this weekly imbalance here. I could see that. But these are some good swings. I mean, you can rip this to 1.7. There it is. 1-6. 1-6. That's a nice trade. So that's Euro USD. And gold. I mean, gold just already took off. I'm not really seeing re-entries unless we pull back down. They didn't really leave anywhere for re-entries. Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm seeing the same thing though with Euro USD. Look at gold right here on the 5. Look how we got this push up. Like we're just building all this liquidity right here. Same with on EU. Somewhat similar. I want to see us hit that though. Yeah. We're 16 pips for 100. So there's my buy limit. Let's put it at 1.1600, TP 1.17000, and stop loss 1.15800 to 1 to 5, we'll say. Okay, let me see if I can find anything else. Crypto, we're still waiting for to. Yeah, I'm still waiting for crypto to come up here more. I need to fill some of this imbalance here. Hmm. Trying to see if I can break one down for you guys. If it, I need some comments of what to do. Before somebody wants me to mark up. Let me see. Oh, DXY. Look at DXY. Man, did exactly what we wanted. We're really getting to this buy side liquidity here. I really want to see us push up here a little more into this area, this yellow zone, and then continue to clear this buy side liquidity here. Let's see what else we can look for. Looks like a NU, Euro GBP, AUD, NZD. See what's going on. Ooh, NU just looks like shit. Yeah, this weekly imbalance there. No, it looks like shit, man. Let's go buy back up. I don't see nothing with that. Let's look at Euro GBP. Hmm. Let me use a different thing. Man, price just looks like shit. This is just how it looks now? So I only trade my pairs. My only few pairs. Yeah, man. Oh, you know what? We can do an indice. We'll do some Nas 100. Let's get that. The NASDAQ. Yeah, we'll see the NASDAQ. Let's see. This has got to be it right here, no? Shit, man, I haven't traded NAS in a minute. I don't know which graph it is. This has got to be it. NDX. No, we ain't gonna do that shit, man. I don't know what that shit is, man. There we go. Okay, cool. That's better. Ooh, this is nice. Monthly inverted this gap here. Monthly re-inverted this gap here. And with this candle, we're just going to continue higher. You can see this gap over here that got inverted very recently with this candle. Came back, retested in here, and now we're pushing out of it again. That's on the weekly. Four-hour price looks choppy, man. Or not choppy, but shitty. I really like this order block right here. This one started this big move up. You also have this minute 15 version here, coupled with this 15-minute order block that gave us these nice pushes up. Yeah, I like that area. Oh yeah, look at how that lines up perfectly with the fib. Price does look like it's getting exhausted here. We're slowly buying up. We're definitely ready for retracement. This can be your time to get in for more highs, a lot better highs. Look at this shit, man. We have all this liquidity here. And price is buying off of. price swept that into, there's an order block over here. Yeah, this imbalance here, 15-minute. If you scale down, there's a lot more into there. But you can see it come down and sweep into this area. Oh, really off of this. Had to grab all that liquidity. Fire. So yeah, the liquidity sweep, and then now we really get that big move up that actually breaks structure. We have that. All this is money. Money here. 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 Price needs to come take all this out. And price is exhausted. So I'm looking, see if we can get some, maybe some sales. Check this out. One hour order block here, or 1 minute order block here. It honestly looks like after taking this high here and clearing sell side liquidity, price is ready to move it down. You have this 5-minute imbalance here. If we invert this, we could look for sells. Yeah, if price closes like this, we can take sells here. Stop loss up here. TP1 is down here, taking out these lows. Yeah. TP2 at these lows. $30 until this closes. I'm looking to hop in a sell. Yeah, Kias. It's about to be 12. I'm in. Hop in sells. Yeah, I'm in for sales. TP1 here, TP2 here. If you want to hold some runners, you can hold some runners. You know, down into these areas, down here, here. here, and here. And then we'll look to buy off of here. But sell NAS 100 right now. Stop loss is above this right here. TP is here. Gold is ripping, man. That's my TP there. Continue to hold. Let's get this move, Nas. Give me the money. This was all from scratch too. You guys saw the process. Keep holding. That's all I got for you guys. So we're just gonna sit here and watch this trade. Euro's coming back down to our buy limit. Make sure you have your buy limit there. Alright. I think we're gonna call it for tonight, guys. We're gonna get a long video going. And we were able to call it a live trade. Join the Telegram for updates on this. I'm gonna drop this in the Telegram real quick. And then we'll end this. Cool, guys. Thanks for joining. We'll be back on tomorrow with another trade. Yeah.